The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, I'm Christine Samuels. I'm here with Isabella, as you all know. And we're here with this lovely fellow. We know him as Jerry. Hi, Jerry.
Yeah, I'm 67-year-old.
And
Tell you when to talk, tell me when to talk, you know.
yeah, man, of course.
Can talk now?
Yeah, of course I can speak.
I'm here and they come to Jamaica with this COVID thing. From it come, it's starvation. You cannot get to go out there and sell anything and work to get any money. But just get a little free up with it, you know. But I tell you, sometimes you can't live from onion. The analysis of ETC is like, if you lock up in the house and not eating, your immune system going to get weak and you're going to have the COVID. You know, the locking down is not too good for us at 67 years because I'm on pension now, you know. And they said they would give me a loan, a grant. Not a grant. And I'm waiting on it because they freeze my accounts. I have two accounts with NC, with Jamaica National, and they are frozen. So when NIS send the money, go back to the NIS, I can't find bus here and all these things. Sometimes I can't live from my hand then.
Hold on. Anyway, I used to take care of us, you get me?
Yeah.
We grew up in this house. Him work so hard. You see, everything shut down for him till one at a time. He used to go outside, coming back late night.
Yeah.
He used to sell him bottom.
No, you can't say that. If we cut out that out, no man, you can't say those things I don't involve inside. You understand? You will get out apart there, you know. No, I don't involve in that.
I used to go in and sleep with a lot of women, right?
No, I said roots and noni.
Noni?
Yeah, I said roots and
But
noni.
you never used to go in and sleep with a lot of
No, I eventually, there are two women at one time, when I was young, at an accident. I don't do those things.
But he used to go out and like, you know,
I
the
work.
prostitutes.
No, I don't. My brethren is a female prostitute, not I. But him come from, his name Evan come from South America, not I. I am more with Rastafari. I am more with Jack.
My viewers and subscribers, for more than a month now, I've seen quite a number of videos posted on social media that shows females playing pranks on elderly men. You see, for example, a female put an elderly man in front of a camera and while video recording, the female will say some lies about the elderly man. You see? Yeah, those kind of pranks. And believe me, some of the videos them were me see, those men really and truly got so upset. You see me? I say, yeah man, but on a real though, it's a prank. You see me? Yeah, that video is one of the examples of the kind of prank that I just talked about. You see me? I say, so let me know what you think about that video, alright? And once I see Dancehall skilla, you know, so me have videos to present to you. I just present one video to you. I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, alright? The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video has been posted somewhere on social media where it is said that L.A. Lewis and the ancestors reasoning. Now, some comments have been made about this video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that L.A. Lewis shows signs of split personality. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. I want you to tell me if you think L.A. Lewis shows any sign or signs of split personality. You see me? Yeah, you can tell me if you think a joke he might make or if he's acting or what. Let me know what you think about this video. And brace yourself because this video might remind you of a horror movie or a sci-fi movie. Jamaicans might say a dopey show. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
No. Some did listen to Marcus. Not all of them.
Now you see they're using Marcus Garvey name to make money. They sell out to the CIA and spreading wrong news on Marcus. Now why should they listen to... Listen man. Sheba, let's go. No, I do not want to go. The Tetragrammaton will be vexed with us. If we should go, we should come and speak the truth. All truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Sheba.
Yes, Josh. beings too much. It's not just the human beings. We have to save the people. Remember, the peoples are different from the human beings. The human beings are primitive. So, we need to save them. They are too few. The human beings are many. So, we have to save the people. Remember, I was once a people too. Shema, why are you trying to save these people and these human beings? They shall not listen to nothing that you say. They shall not listen to nothing that I heard the Tetragrammaton say. Even the Tetragrammaton was here to talk to them himself. But the Tetragrammaton talked to the emperor.
You know, say Lelo is a star. Yeah, he's a real star. Him for in one of them Hollywood movies. For real. Yeah, man. Him for in one of the Hollywood movies then. You see me? Jamaican movies too, you know. Yeah, but if you in one of the Hollywood movies then, you see, some of the times I see L.A. Lewis do some videos, I have to say, Jadno, him not easy. And I real, but people, let me know what you think about that video. Tell me if you think L.A. Lewis actually show real signs of split personalities, or if you think that he's acting, or he's joking, or if he's really reasoning with ancestors. Let me know what you think, young people, alright? I'll skip to the next video. So the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who many persons on social media know as Ivany Wright, and in this video Ivany Wright talked about some things that she had done in her life. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to the things that Ivany said in this video and tell me what you think, alright? And some harsh languages have been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Let me tell you, people, let me tell you something about me. I used to do whole heap of stuff back then. Yeah? I used to be a stripper. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I used to be a stripper. I used to have sex for money. I used to do whole heap of bad things. It's after when you get shot, I stop being a stripper. I stop being a stripper. I stop have sex for money. I start doing my own like a promotion and do my little thing. The second time I've been to Barbados, I never go Barbados for dance. I go Barbados to give Jamaica a breeze, and one look at something else that happened to me. And some man come on my yard, somebody just left Jamaica to go breeze out myself, you see me? But it don't make no sense. I just did one urp and left Jamaica at the time because something did happen to me, you see me? Never thinking that mother have to parent and them thing there, you see me? So when I'm over there, my sister I spend 1 month. I realize say you have to parent and them thing there, and you have to it's hard for somebody at Jamaica to go send them money, go give you where the Barbados, you see me? Somebody go back in the club. Who want believe, who don't want believe, you can't know I have to tell lie. Me talk truth, I don't need to tell lie. Well, worse not for myself, I don't need to tell lie. The second time I go Barbados, I never have sex over there for money and them thing, because as I said, I only go for breeze out. When I go over there now, I realize that I have to work to get money to buy food, for pay my rent, for stay there. I remember I say I breeze, me never breeze out, never did for work. When I go over there the second time, I did start dancing at the club because I rush short for my money. I won competition, I did win. I did win 1,000 US. I did use buy my ticket and I go over there. When I go over there, I start work back in the club. I never sell. The second time I go over there, I've never sell fuck over there the second time. I never do nothing for money. I just dance as a normal go, get my tip them, do lap dance, pay my rent, buy my grocery and so forth. A lot of people say every go sell pussy. Not every go sell pussy because a Barbados that a whole heap of time people come in at the club and know me. Glad to see me, can't wait for meet me and give me money. Remember me in at the club about 6 times some white people, some girls and man would love me off. Where them come from Canada, England, see me over there in the club and spend your money for me. I'll pay for me for your night time for no work because the mom go party with them and then pay the boss the fee and pay me a little thing when I end up making night for party with them. So when me I tell everybody on this now say me single, you know what them take me as? Them take me as a whore. The man say no, Ivany can't single. She go there fuck other man or true your sister me just come out and look a relationship. Uno feel like say uno go look me and I go just run go there with uno.
Honesty is the best policy. Yeah, Ivany just say it like it is. Honest about the things that she said she had done in her life. You understand? Yeah. And I believe her because on a real, the things that she said that she had done, I don't see no reason why she would actually lie. To be honest, you see me? Yeah. So, yeah, we respect anyone who honest. You see me? Anyways, let me know what you think about these videos that I presented to you in this video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.